There you are, Park Ranger Asher. Do you know what day this is?
Is it your birthday?
No. Wait, is it my birthday? No, it's Dino Appreciation Day. Didn't you get my email?
Maybe, but I've been busy working on my latest gadget, a levitation device. I call it the Movasaur.
Hey, wait a minute. My favorite mug.
Oh, you should probably wash it before you drink anything from it. I'm growing a mold colony inside.
Okie dokie. Well, anyway, I'm thinking about going to get some party supplies. I want to get pizza and some balloons and pizza. Oh, and maybe a generator to power some party lights. Sound good?
You bet.
I'm going to be back before you can say Snaggletooth Stegosaurus.
Snaggletooth Stegosaurus.
Okay, well, maybe not that fast, but I'll be back.
Ready? Now, let's test this out. I did it! And I made a flying Triceratops. Now, let's try something heavier.
This Allosaurus is blocking the whole road. Ain't no way I'm getting by. Woo-hoo, Mr. Allosaurus, time to get up. Wakey, wakey. Allosaurus. More like Allosaurus. Oh, wait, I have an idea. Roar! Allosaurus is a giant T-Rex, and if you don't wake up, I'm gonna eat ya! That didn't work. I have another idea. This horn will get it. I give up. Oh, Park Ranger Asher, you'll know what to do. Park Ranger Asher, this is Park Ranger Andy. You ready?
Hey, Park Ranger Andy. How are you?
Not so good. I need your help down at the main road.
I'm kind of busy right now taking a coffee break.
Coffee break? But this is an emergency. A sleeping Allosaurus is blocking the main road. And if I don't get back in time, the pizza's gonna get cold.
Hey, okay. I'll come as soon as I can.
Hey, thank you. You're the best, Park Ranger Asher. Now you're in for it.
More like Allosaurus.
Hey, that's what I said. Well, look, it's still funny. Hey, how about we use your gadget to move the Allosaurus?
The Movasaur? Sure, we can try it.
It's working! It's working!
Oh no!
It's not working!
The Movasaur needs more power. We're gonna have to think of something else.
Well, I mean, I could push the Allosaurus out of the way. After all, I am pretty strong.
Nice try, but the Allosaurus weighs over 6,000 pounds.
Oh, this stinks! A dinosaur ruined Dino Appreciation Day? I can practically smell the pizza getting cold.
Wait, that's it! We can use the food to wake up the Allosaurus! He has an excellent sense of smell.
But then we won't have any pizza left for the celebration! And then what's the point of Dino Appreciation Day?
Sorry, Park Ranger. We have to sacrifice the pizza. It's the only way.
Fine, let's do it. So, what's the plan? And does it involve us eating this pizza?
No. We're gonna place the pizza down, hide in the T-Rex one, and wait for the Allosaurus to wake up.
Okay, but I like my plan better. Oh, look! He's smelling a pizza!
We did it, Park Ranger Andy! Park Ranger Andy? Park Ranger Andy! What are you doing?
I just need one little slice!
Better figure out how to fix this Movasaur. And fast!
I mean, were you gonna eat all that by yourself? Okay, look, I don't blame you. Allosaurus, they don't like this! Dino coming! Hide!
What did you think would happen?
Well, I mean, I went and then he went and then... Oh, wait, never mind. Look! He went right back the block of the road! Right where we began!
Aww, all that for nothing.
And now we don't even have any pizza! What are we gonna do?
I have an idea.
Now what?
Now, if I connect the Movasaur to the generator, it might have enough power to move the Allosaurus out of the road.
Let's give it a go.
It's charging!
Perfect! Now we just sit back and wait for it to get done.
What was that?
I don't know. Look, it's ran out of popping our balloons! Why would it do that? Look, it's waking a dino! Park Ranger Asher, how's that charge coming?
Just 1 minute, it's almost done!
I don't think we have a minute!
Almost there!
I didn't think we'd get in on Dinosaur Appreciation Day!
It's ready!
Did it work or is that a dinosaur-shaped cloud?
It worked! I can't believe it!
Hey! Great job! But what happens when you drop them back down?
Good question. By the way, I kind of owe you a new coffee mug.
What did you do?
Sorry.
You better put coffee in it. And no mold colonies. Mold colonies. Park Ranger AJ! Oh, there you are. Ha, I've been looking all over for you.
And I've been looking for the missing Stegosaurus. Whoa, what happened happened to you?
Oh, this. Well, see that Brachiosaurus down the way?
Yeah.
Well, he didn't see me. Before I knew it, splat.
He stepped on you?
Yeah, but only for a few minutes. And you should see it. There's a park ranger Andy-shaped hole in the ground. And thus ends another adventurous day at T-Rex Ranch.
And the day just started. We haven't eaten breakfast yet.
Oh, good point. I'll fix that. Breakfast for two?
Where did you get those?
T-Rex Ranch is the place I want to be. Join me.
I gotta hand it to you. Oatmeal was the best decision for breakfast.
Oh, I'm telling you, boy. Everybody loves oatmeal. Be careful, though, because it's hot.
It better cool quick. I'm worried about that missing stego.
Well, you should worry more about your stomach growling than the Stegosaurus. You should eat up.
That wasn't me. I think that's your stomach growling, not mine. Wait, that's not the sound of a stomach growling. That's the sound of a sick dino.
The sound of a sick Stegosaurus, to be exact. Get a T-Rex 1!
Dino first aid kit ready to go.
Dr. Dino Doctor, at your service. Now, let's see what we got. Oh, that's not it. What's that? Oh. There it is. Stegosaurus medicine.
That is one big pill.
For one big sick Stegosaurus. Let's go.
This is not working. I can't hear.
What?
I said I can't hear.
I can't hear you.
What? It's too loud. Pull over.
Oh, I'm gonna pull over. I couldn't hear you.
Ah, you're blinding me with your mirror.
Oh, sorry. The tools of a dino doctor are potentially very dangerous.
We have to be quiet.
Quiet. I could be quiet. I could be super quiet. In fact, I could be the most quiet. The Stegosaurus!
It's coming from over there. From inside the raptor paddock.
That's unfortunate.
What do we do now?
Well, you know the motto of a dino doctor. Through rain or sleet or snow, when duty calls, we must go.
I think that's the moon.
Agree to disagree. Let's go. Coast is clear. Shh,
Quiet back there.
shh, quiet back there.
What do we do?
The mirror. That's it. Run!
There she is. She looks so sick. How are we gonna get her to eat this giant pill?
No sweat. It is going to be smooth sailing from here on out. Okay, I was wrong. We're in trouble.
It's so is that Stegosaurus if the T-Rex doesn't move.
What do we do?
Not today, Mr. T-Rex. We're only here to help our sick stego friend. You're making our job very difficult. Now, if you don't mind, please step aside so we can do our job. Thank you very much. Wow, can't believe that works.
Me neither. I thought for sure we were going to end up in that T-Rex's gullet.
Let's go get that dino her medicine.
Indubitably.
How are you gonna get her to eat it?
Little demonstration. Watch. Okay. Yep. You sick. Eat. Feel better. Frolic away. La-di-da-da-da-da-da-da.
I don't think she's buying it.
Huh. Well, I mean, nobody likes the taste of medicine. But you know what everybody does love? Oatmeal!
Where are you keeping them?
Oh. Okay. You're gonna like this better. I promise. Okay. Enjoy.
But you didn't get her to eat the medicine.
Not yet. Watch this. Little slingshot action.
Nice shot.
She's eating it! And she's feeling better already!
Yeah, let's take a couple steps back and give her some space.
Yeah, she might be feeling too good.
Ah!
Oh.
That looks like it hurt. Are you okay?
Well, you get used to it.
Thus ends another adventurous day at T-Rex Ranch.
What do you mean, Ants? You haven't even had our breakfast yet.
I think I can fix that.
Where'd you get those? Okay, Park Ranger AJ. What do you think the biggest animal that's ever lived on a planet is? Do you think it's like a giant monkey or some kind of enormous blue-tailed squirrel?
Probably a dinosaur.
Oh, yeah. Like which kind?
Maybe the Brachiosaurus?
Could be. And that's what we're here today to find out.
The biggest animal in the world?
That's right.
Why in the forest?
This is not just any forest. This is the prehistoric forest.
Well, that's convenient.
I thought so. Go figure it out.
T-Rex Ranch is the place I want to be. Join me.
Yep, the Stegosaurus. This dinosaur could be it.
Yeah, he's pretty big. 30 feet long, 11,000 pounds.
Huh, but I don't know. Still might be other contenders out there.
Yeah.
Chud!
Who's that? Dad? You talk, Dino? He's pretty big.
Parasaurolophus. It can grow to be up to 33 feet long.
That's 3 feet bigger than the other dino. Huh. So far, this is the winner.
Yeah.
You know, this is a member of the duck-billed dino family. I wonder if he speaks duck. Nothing. All right, I bet there's bigger ones out there. Let's go see.
Chud! Chud! Chud!
What was that? Euplocephalus.
Oh, yeah. Now, look, this is no bigger than the other dinos. But here's an interesting fact, that these guys were so well protected that even the eyelids had on.
Well, I guess he's getting some pretty good shut-eye.
Wish I had thought of that joke.
Chud! Chud!
Did you hear that?
Chud!
Yeah, I did. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
What's Chad?
I don't know. All right. You check?
Triceratops.
Oh, yeah. Now we know these. We got a bunch of them at T-Rex Ranch. Now, they're not the biggest, but they're certainly the heaviest.
And the cutest. Look at him.
Oh, yeah, he's certainly not the biggest.
Paleontologists say these guys were the cows of the Cretaceous period.
The cows?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it!
Moo!
He did it.
Chud!
Did you hear that?
Did you?
Yeah. Again.
Maybe someone
Or something
is trying to tell us something. Maybe Chad is what we're looking for.
Maybe you're right. Well, let's keep looking. You didn't like the moo? You should have told the other joke.
Tyrannosaurus Rex!
The king of the dinos. This could be it. I mean, it gets to be 40 feet long and 20 feet high.
It weighs as much as 4 pickup trucks!
This
Could
be...
Chad!
Yes! No, Chad! Oh. Not Chad! How's it possible?
What is Chad?
Where is Chad?
Who is Chad?
By hook or by crook? We're gonna go find out.
Yeah! Excuse me, do you know what Chad is?
Thanks, anyway. Excuse me, miss. Do you know where Chad is?
Thank you very much.
This is Chad. A whale! That's the largest animal ever.
Wow! Wait, but what about the Mesosaurus from Jurassic World?
Well, it's not a dinosaur. That's a marine reptile. And that only grew up to be 50 feet long,
Well, what about the Megalodon?
which is actually a shark. And that got up to be only 59 feet long. So this thing is twice as large.
Holy cow!
Yeah, I don't understand why it's so blue. Cheer up, you're so big.
100 feet long!
What? Wait a minute. It says he's got 100 feet. I don't see any feet.
He's 100 feet long.
Oh, well, that makes more sense.
It says here its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant.
Its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. That's humongous. It's gonna be so heavy. So this is it? The biggest animal that's ever lived? And this is a small one. Look, it's from a juvenile male. This is only 72 feet long compared to what it could be.
It's not even fully grown.
But they got one thing right. This is astonishing in every way. Wow. Chad, you've been calling us. We're so happy to find the answer to the largest animal on Earth.
Yeah!
Wait a minute. It says one of the loudest animals on Earth? Huh. I bet I could be